Okay, in this video we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw cards according to a button press, and you can see that I've got a button here that advances the card number and the rank as we go forward, but it's not drawing new cards. In this case I'm drawing the Ace of Diamonds because that happens to be the first card in our shuffled deck. Okay, so let's start with our Getter-Setter class, and I'm going to create a card array, and I'm going to call it card in our Getter-Setter class, so that once I shuffle the deck inside a main activity and I've got this array of cards with suits and ranks that have been shuffled, I can place it inside of this Getter-Setter class, and then I can check it from anywhere, right? And so here I am inside of the main activity fragment where I create my card array. I set up my deck so that everything is in order, and then we call our shuffle deck method where we do our swap. All right. And then I'm going to say Getter-Setter card equals card. So we're going to take that shuffled card array and we're just going to make a copy of it inside of Getter-Setter. Step one. You want to pause and do that. Okay, so once we have a copy of our card array inside of Getter-Setter, inside a panel, instead of on draw, we're going to go through and we're going to check a few things. And this is going to require some copy and paste. Once you get your first suit done, all right, it's fairly easy to get the other suits in using just find and replace. So I'm going to say if Getter-Setter.card 0, the first card in the deck that's been copied into our Getter-Setter class, if the suit is 0, all right, well, let's, depending on what the rank is, that's what card we're going to draw right now. All right, and if the suit is 1, check the rank, and if the rank matches, draw whatever. Okay. And so we're going to check the suit, and then depending on what the suit is, we're going to check the rank, and depending on what the rank is, we're going to draw a card. Okay? So you want to get that set up so that every time you start the application, at this point, it should fire back up here. It'll start showing a different card. Okay? And really that card hopefully matches the suit that I have here. We'll see. It says Hello World right now, so it's not actually printing the first one. But in this case, the first card in my deck is the 4 clubs. So every time you start the application, it should show the first card in the deck. Now, pause it, and you want to set all that up. That's going to take a couple of minutes. Okay, so once you have your suits being checked and you're drawing a card based on rank, what we're going to do is we're going to advance the cards as we push the button. Okay, so inside of my main activity, here's where I've got my click method set up for this button, right? The reason why every time we press the button it's printing a new suit and a new rank is because we're advancing this A variable and we're showing the card number we're on. Okay, and we're showing the suit and the fragment card, the suit of that card, and the rank of that card, which is also being checked in our Getter-Setter class right now through the drawing method, right? So this A variable holds the card number that's associated with, our card class, so we're going to use it to draw as well. So I'm going to set Getter-Setter.currentCard equals A. All right, and inside of Getter-Setter now I've got this integer that is going to hold our current card. What is the current card right now? Right now we're just going to flip through one card at a time. Okay. And so what I can do is I'm going to go to panel, okay, and instead of drawing the first card, all right, every time, we're going to draw the card number that is specified in the Getter-Setter class. So I'm going to take this. All right, I'm going to just highlight it. I'm going to go edit, and we're going to do a find replace card 0, and we're going to replace it with card. Think about it. Getter-Setter.A. Right? So whatever number is in A, that's the card we want to draw, right? We don't just want to draw the first one. Replace all. Okay. And has a problem with that A right now. That's okay. I'm going to resolve that because I called it current card. All right. And so I'm going to go through and I'm going to replace this again. It's not A. In a former project, I did call it A, I guess. Edit, find, replace, getter setter A with getter setter current card. All right. I'm sure that when I said A, oh no, now look what I've done. Just horrible. Okay, so now I have to figure out, let's see, getter setter dot A with, there we go, getter setter dot current card. And there's a good find replace. Okay, so now when I run this, it's always going to draw the current card that we have in getter setter that's being advanced with the button. Let's see if it works. Honestly, I have no idea. This is the first time I've actually gotten this far, so we'll see. All right, here it comes. So, card number 0 is suit 0, rank 0. Well, that doesn't jive with the 5 of diamonds, does it? Card number 1, suit 1, rank 3. That doesn't jive either. Okay, so right now we are flipping through cards, all right, but the suit and the rank are not matching what we would expect the card to be. All right, so I'm going to solve that. I'm going to ask you to solve it. And if I feel like the solution is worth it, I'll come right back. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to challenge you to figure out what was wrong there because it was a very simple fix. But I'm taking a look at it now, and as I press the button, you can see that card number 3 right now is suit 0, rank 1. 3 of clubs. Here's suit 0. Here's rank 1. All right, and that is, you can see here, the 3 of clubs. All right, and so as I push the button, it looks like the way I have it set up right now is the rank of the card is basically -2 of the card number, right? Because rank, let's see, so rank 0 is the 2 of clubs, right? Rank 1 is 3, rank 2 is 4. That's just how it works out for me. And so, okay, so card number 4 is suit 2. That's hearts, yeah. And then rank 2, 4, all right? So suit 0, that's our clubs, rank 7, so it's our card -2, 9. So every time now, the suit and the rank, and I push the button and it draws a new card. All right, so you should be able to flip through all the cards in your deck by pressing the button. And good luck. That's a difficult one to set up. I hope you find the issue. It was actually very simple, so take a look. I'll give you a hint. It is definitely inside of that button click method. So good luck there. Thank you.